unlock a new level of design flexibility and consistency in Webflow by mastering the power of REM units. For a long time, we've relied on pixels, or PX, for sizing and spacing in Webflow while they offer exact control. They can sometimes lead to less scalable and harder-to-maintain designs, especially when dealing with responsiveness. This is where REM units come in. REM stands for root M, and it's a relative unit. This means its size is based on the font size of the root HTML element, which is typically set in your project's global settings. Think of it like this: you set one base font size for your entire project, and then any element sized with REM will scale proportionally to that base. It's a game changer for maintaining consistent spacing and typography without needing to adjust every single element. Let's see this in action. When you select an element, like this heading, you'll usually see its font size in pixels, but you can easily switch this to REM. For example, let's set our heading to 15 REM. This means it will be 15 times the size of our root font if we later decide to increase our project's base font size to, say, 18 pixels. This heading will automatically become larger, maintaining its relative proportion. This principle applies not just to text, but also to spacing. You can use REM for margins, padding, and even element widths or heights. Imagine setting the margin on this button to 1 REM. If your base font size changes, the button's margin will adjust accordingly, keeping your design harmonious. As you can see, using REM units creates a ripple effect. Change your root font size once, and your entire design adapts. This makes your Webflow projects incredibly scalable and maintainable, especially when transitioning between different screen sizes. By embracing REM, you're not just sizing elements, you're building in flexibility and future-proofing your designs. Take a few minutes to experiment with REM units in your next Webflow project and experience the difference in control and consistency.